Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị sị unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe ọ, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fa na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
Ndị oshi, the bird of the same feather flock together. You know how they paraded themselves on social media. They want to, every day they are having program on Simon Ekpa. Why I'm mentioning this thing is that you can never discuss this no election today and all these things I'm discussing without mentioning them. You can't. It is almost impossible. At least I have done my teaching. I have been able to tell you what we are going to achieve by making sure that Biafra did not allow Nigeria to conduct election in Biafra land. So I've done my job today. Now let me give you a little gossip. Because this gossip, if we did not tell it, I don't know whether God will forgive us. Because what we have to do is to expose every exposable. And because we have actually defeated them. So some of them are happy that we have forgotten them, that now, we have not mentioned their case also, which means they have, nobody mentioned them. And these are the people who will go to these criminals and they tell them, Simon Ekpa, we know him. Simon Ekpa is this, Simon Ekpa is that. Some of them, one of them, the person they have in Finland was in my house sharing food to people when I had my son's second birthday. Everybody, what I'm saying is that everybody in Finland that is watching me today knows what I'm talking about. When Adam, my son, had second birthday, the entire Finland was in my house. One of these people they claim they have in Finland, who instigated all this hatred and all this problem, was in my house serving people food. But today, he went to them and told them Simon Ekpa is nobody. And I believe they have seen how nobody handled those things. They gave him 2,000 euros to buy cloth, to buy jersey, polo for Biafra. He embezzled the money. They contributed money, they gave him the money, buy polo for Biafra. He embezzled the money. No money, no Biafra polo till today. And today, they will come out and say, we are fighting for Biafra. When they see ordinary 2,000, or anyamuru hoku, I am telling you people today that Akan Shehaba go on. Akan Shehaba go on. You know, this Biafra struggle is something that we came prepared. I am a some of us have made sacrifice in different ways. Some of us have made sacrifice in different ways. But I want to assure you today that they are no longer shouting. We told them that after we finish with them, they will not go to meeting again. You see, when I'm saying something, pay attention, because everything I have said have come to pass. The only thing remaining is that Biafra will come next year. When this whole drama started, I told them, I will be your end. And by the time I finish with you, you will not go to meeting again. As I'm talking to you today, they are no longer going to meeting in Finland. But autopilot in Finland is waxing very stronger. But those criminals, those people that say they have this one in Finland, where are they today? They all disappeared. Just exactly the same way I said it. And that's why I always thank those IPOB autopilot in Finland, from Kingsley to Emeka to Clement, to all of them. These are men who stood up to fight evil. When they started, Agbanyu was saying the criminals in DOS like everything I'm doing. I should continue. I should continue. They'll come to Radio Biafra and condemn me. While Agbanyu will be telling them in the meeting, oh, we like what EKPA is doing. Everybody in DOS, we like it. But they'll come to Radio Biafra and call me all manner of names. Some of them are in the tape. They recorded them. But the time is coming. The sanitization and the removal of the chaff from the wheat started from Finland. They stood up to fight the evil in IPOB. That is what, bring this thing you see today. The whole thing started from Finland. Today, we have defeated them completely. They collected money for Anambra election. While I was busy shouting, the thing is that while I was busy shouting, no election in Anambra, it was God's intention, God plan for Anambra election to hold, using them to expose a lot of things. When I was shouting no election, because if Anambra election, if we maintain the no election in Anambra, who knows, could have been something different. So God used it to prepare the ground of today. They say Soludo is coming. Soludo is coming. Soludo is going to go and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The same stupid comment some of these idiots are making today about Obi. They say, oh, Soludo is coming. He's going to go to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He is very close to the government. He was this. He is the advisor. He is that one, that one. Stupid people. What we saw, they cannot see it. We saw no election. They went behind the door. They collected money. Soludo traveled all the way to Europe to meet Chike Doziem. Some of you, if I begin to make this exposition now, a lot of things will scatter. Nancy Harbour, thank you very much for your super chat. We appreciate you. Simon Wachineke, God is with you. Continue in the strength of the Lord. No 2023 election in Biafra land. 136 days to go to Biafra tsunami. We are ready. Thank you very much. Soludo traveled to meet Chike Doziem. He met with Chike Dozieha.
Ende by dalo lineno umive kunisi wene sola ni ane meni rapo no pasinketa. Aise ko pasinketa amalo numma. Aise inko ichpa ya zero. Endi ko sidi. Endi kinoro ife Biafran Prime Minister kuni rapo. Zodo ki biabo. Iyabo Igbo media. Ka isi kwa wene wetero nukuzi ya doke mba. Gini ki wene kubasta maka ya bife. Kabaro ke drop your comment, your own suggestion. Ni yenda ni Biafran Prime Minister kuni rapo. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo media. Daro no munem.